Unseen Passage Prose section. Recent advances in science and technology have made it possible for genetics to find out abnormalities in the unborn fetus and take remedial action to rectify some defects which would otherwise prove to be fatal to the child. Though genetic engineering is still at its infancy, scientists can now predict with greater accuracy a genetic disorder. It is not yet an exact science, since they are not in a position to predict when exactly a genetic disorder will set in. While they have not yet been able to change the genetic order of the gene in germs, they are optimistic and are holding out that in the near future they might be successful in achieving this feat. They have, however, acquired the ability in manipulating tissue cells. However, genetic misinformation can sometimes be damaging, for it may adversely affect people's psychology. Genetic information may lead to a tendency to brand some people as inferiors. Genetic information can therefore be abused, and is its application is deciding the sex of the fetus, and its subsequent abortion is now hotly debated on ethical lines. But on this issue, genetics cannot be squarely blamed, though this charge has often been labeled at them. It is mainly a social problem. At present, genetic engineering is a costly process of detecting disorders, but scientists hope to reduce the cost when technology becomes more advanced. This is why much progress in this area has been possible in scientifically advanced and rich countries like the USA, UK, and Japan. It remains to be seen if in the future this science will lead to the development of a race of supermen, or will be able to obliterate disease from this world. First question is, which of the following is the same in meaning of the phrase holding out as used in the passage? Option 1, eaching. Option 2, expounding. Option 3, sustaining. Option 4, restraining. ऑप्शन नंबर 2 करेक्ट होगा expounding. Question number 2, according to the passage, the question of abortion is option number 1 ignored, option 2 hotly debated, option 3 unanswered, option 4 already settled. तो ऑप्शन 2 करेक्ट हो जाएगा hotly debated. Question number 3, which of the following is true regarding the reasons for progress in genetic engineering? Option 1, it has become popular to abort female fetus. Option 2, human beings are extremely interested in heredity. Option 3, economically sound and scientifically advanced countries can provide the infrastructure for such research. Option 4, poor countries desperately need genetic information. ऑप्शन नंबर 3 करेक्ट हो जाएगा इकोनॉमिकली साउंड एंड साइंटिफिकली एडवांस्ड कंट्रीज कैन प्रोवाइड द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर सच रिसर्चेस. Question number 4, which of the following is the same in meaning as the word obliterate as used in the passage? Option 1, wipe off. Option 2, eradicate. Option 3, give birth to. Option 4, wipe out. तो ऑप्शन नंबर 2 करेक्ट हो जाएगा इरेडिकेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द ऑपोजिट इन मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड चार्ज्ड एज यूज्ड इन द पैसेज? ऑप्शन 1, calm. Option 2, डिस्टर्ब्ड, ऑप्शन 3 डिस्चार्ज्ड, ऑप्शन 4 सेटल्ड। तो यहाँ ऑप्शन 4 करेक्ट हो जाएगा, सेटल्ड। Question number 6. Which of the following is not true of the genetic engineering movement? Option 1 possibility of abuse. Option 2 it is comforted by ethical problems. Option 3 increased tendency to manipulate gene cells. Option 4 acquired ability to detect genetic disorders in unborn babies. तो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 करेक्ट हो जाएगा, इंक्रीज्ड टेंडेंसी टू मैनिपुलेट जीन सेल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द सेम इन मीनिंग एज द वर्ड फीट एज यूज्ड इन द पैसेज? ऑप्शन 1 प्रोसेस, ऑप्शन 2 फीटस, ऑप्शन 3 फैक्ट, ऑप्शन 4 गोल। ऑप्शन 4 करेक्ट हो जाएगा, गोल। Question number 8. Why, according to the author, is genetic misinformation severely damaging? Option 1. The cost involved is very high. Option 2. Some people are unjustly branded as inferior. तो हमारा ऑप्शन 1 है ए ओनली, ऑप्शन 2 है बी ओनली, ऑप्शन 3 बोथ ए एंड बी, ऑप्शन 4 नीदर ए नॉर बी। तो यहाँ ऑप्शन 2 करेक्ट हो जाएगा, बी ओनली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज इन द पैसेज अब्यूज्ड मीन्स? ऑप्शन ए इंसल्टेड, ऑप्शन 2 टॉक्ड अबाउट, ऑप्शन 3 किल्ड, ऑप्शन 4 मिसयूज्ड। तो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन 4 करेक्ट हो जाएगा, मिसयूज्ड। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।